I just found the absolute easiest way to buy cryptocurrency if you're under 18. There's no ID, no age verification, and it's super easy. It takes only about 5 minutes. You can buy cryptocurrency with PayPal or Cash App, and in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I remember back when I was 17 years old and crypto was booming, I was so eager to buy into the market, but I had no idea how. All the websites like Binance, MetaMask, and Coinbase all require ID, and I was sick and tired of not being able to buy crypto. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel recently. We've been absolutely blowing up, and I really appreciate every single one of you out there. If you haven't already, please go down below and subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video if you find it helpful. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, the way that you buy cryptocurrency under 18 is through a Discord server called Crypto World. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. One of my friends is the owner, and it's super easy to buy crypto in the server. I'm gonna do a $10 exchange right now just to show you guys how easy it is. So, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna be sending him $10 in PayPal, and he's gonna be sending me $6 in Bitcoin. As you guys can see, they have these exchange rates listed in the server. Their minimum exchange fee is $4, and since I'm just a normal member, it's going to be 10% for this exchange. So if I was sending $100, the fee would be $10, which is literally the same fee as Coinbase. All you need to do to exchange your cryptocurrency is go to the exchange tab, click on PayPal because that's what I'll be sending, click on crypto because that's what I'll be receiving, and the coin I want to receive is Bitcoin, so click on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to be sending him $10 in PayPal, so I'm going to submit that, and now I'm just going to accept the trade. Boom. As you can see, my ticket is open right here. Now I'm just going to wait for the server owner to complete my transaction. All right, guys. So the server owner replied to my ticket. Welcome to the PayPal payment service. I will need to send through the Friends and Family option. Do not accept payment with a bank account. We are not refunding the payment if you don't follow the rules. I agree to the terms. Now here's his email address. That's where I'm going to send it. So now all I've got to do is send the money, put in his email address. I'm going to send him $10 USD. He's going to get $12, and I'm going to send it from my debit card. I'm going to send it for Friends and Family. I'm sending $12 USD, paying a $1 fee, and he's going to get $12 Canadian. So here we go. Now I'm just going to take a screenshot to send the payment. Now I'm going to go to my Bitcoin wallet. You can use whatever type of wallet you want. Crypto wallets do not require age verification or ID to open a wallet, so you can receive crypto no matter what your age is, but you're just not allowed to buy it, which really makes no sense. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin, send and receive. I'm going to click receive, copy my Bitcoin address, and I'm going to send it to him. From here, just wait for him to send the Bitcoin, and then I'll be all set. All right, so he received my Bitcoin address, and he's sending the Bitcoin right now. So I'm just going to refresh the tab here on Coinbase. And as you can see, my balance is currently $13.28. He actually didn't even take the fee. I guess it's since I'm making the YouTube video, but I want you guys to know that it would have usually been a $4 fee, so keep that in mind. As you guys can see, Crypto World Exchange is a quality place to exchange your crypto. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like. I'll leave the server link in the description below if you're interested in joining. And with that, I appreciate you watching this video. See you later. Peace.